Hello my friends! As many of you may know, this channel is all about food, fun, and finance. Food feeds your stomach. What's as important to know is that finance feeds your brain, and that knowledge will help put more money into your back pocket. In today's video, Ling will continue with her module on iBonds and go over a strategy on how to purchase more than the $10,000 allowable maximum contribution per person. As inflation continues to remain at a high level, this means a strong opportunity for all of you to have your money work harder for you through iBond returns. If you already purchased the annual maximum of $10,000, you may be wondering, how can I purchase more? You don't want to miss this episode, as she is going to show you how. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, hit the like button, and add a comment below. We greatly appreciate it. Let's go!
Let's first go over the rules for iBond gifts. Number 1, you're only able to purchase gift iBond through treasurydirect.gov. There's not any alternative to purchase a paper form. Number 2, the recipient must have a Treasury Direct account. If the recipient is a minor, then his or her parents must have a Treasury Direct account, and the minor's account should be linked to the parent's or guardian's primary account. Each gift maximum is $10,000. However, you can buy as many gifts as you would like. There's no limitation. Next, as the recipient of the gift, your total ownership of the iBond for any given year cannot exceed $10,000 limit. And the last rule is, once the gift is purchased, it will continue to accrue interest in the gift box even if the delivery doesn't happen right away. And there's no limitation on the number of years to deliver the gift, which means if you keep the gift amount in the gift box for 10 years, that amount will continue to accrue interest until it gets delivered. Next, let's take a look at a practical example. On May 1st, 2022, when iBond interest rate was announced as 9.62%, both Bob and Ling decided to each purchase $10,000 iBond for the year of 2022. Based on the current inflation data, we're projecting November iBond interest rate will be increased to a little over 10%. Then on November 1st, Bob will purchase a $10,000 iBond gift and designates the recipient to be Ling and keep in his gift box. For this example, let's say January 1st, 2023, Bob and Ling decides to each purchase another $10,000 for the following year, which is for the year of 2023. Then let's take a look at the grid of the summary. Under Bob's ownership, as you can see, he has maxed out both 2022 and 2023 contribution year. And so did Ling. For 2022 and 2023, she also maxed out both years' limitation. If Bob delivers the $10,000 gift to Ling on January 1st, 2024, that means Ling would have maxed out her 2024 contribution year maximum. Therefore, she would not be able to purchase any additional amount for 2024. The purchase of the gift iBond is also very simple. Let me take you through the process. Step number 1, you wanted to log into your treasurydirect.gov account as usual. And you wanted to select the Buy Direct tab on the very top. Then in the middle of the page, you can click the radio button that says Series I, which stands for iBond, and click on Submit. Step number 2, next to your name, click on the blue bar that states Add New Registration. This step will allow you to add a person who you will be purchasing the gift for. Step number 3 is for you to fill in the person's detail. If this is an adult, you only need to fill out the top portion. If this is a minor, you will need to fill in the primary owner's information on the top and then the secondary, which is a minor's detail, in the bottom. Please remember, you will need to have the person's social security number to confirm the person indeed has a Treasury Direct account. Once you have filled in all of the information, click on the checkbox where it says this is a gift and then submit. At this time, the website should return you to Buy Direct tab, and the person's name should appear in the drop-down box next to Add a New Registration box. Select the person's name, enter the gift amount, and enter the purchase date. Click on Submit. The next page will display all of the detail once again so that you can confirm for accuracy. Once you click on Submit, you have just purchased a iBond gift. If you want to check your current holding and also how much it's in your gift box, you can simply go to My Account tab. In the middle of the page, it displays your current securities total and also your gift box total. If you have multiple gifts, you can click into the amount. It will take you into the itemized page.
Thank you, Ling, for sharing your knowledge related to iBonds and how to maximize the contributions on it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video on iBonds. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share with anyone who may also benefit from this knowledge. See you all very soon. Bye.